Is your AirPods case losing charge quickly or not charging at all? You're not alone. This video will explain common reasons for this issue, focusing on models from 2016 to the latest AirPods Pro 2. We'll cover battery degradation, contact corrosion, software glitches, and environmental factors, all impacting charge retention. Battery degradation occurs from repeated charge cycles, typically 500 to 800 before capacity drops to 80%. Contact corrosion happens when dirt, sweat, or lint builds up on the charging port, increasing resistance. Software glitches can cause unnecessary background processes to drain the case, fixable by resetting. Environmental factors like cold temperatures can temporarily reduce charge holding due to slowed ion movement. AirPods cases use lithium-ion batteries, which are the same type found in many modern devices. These batteries provide the power needed to charge your earbuds, but have one fundamental limitation: they degrade over time with normal use. Battery degradation occurs gradually through repeated charging cycles. Each time you charge and discharge the battery, microscopic changes happen inside that reduce its ability to hold a full charge. Several factors can accelerate this degradation process. Exposure to high heat speeds up chemical reactions inside the battery, while overcharging beyond full capacity puts additional stress on the battery cells. Newer AirPods models like the 4th generation and AirPods Pro 2 feature improved battery efficiency thanks to better chip designs and optimized charging systems. However, even with these improvements, battery degradation remains an inevitable part of lithium-ion technology. A frequent culprit is contact corrosion. Dirt, lint, or sweat can build up on the Lightning or MagSafe ports, preventing efficient charging. This buildup creates electrical resistance, reducing charge retention and preventing the case from holding a full charge. Use a soft cloth or alcohol wipe to gently clean these contacts. This simple step often restores proper charging. After cleaning, the contacts are clear and charging efficiency is restored. Sometimes the problem isn't the hardware, but the software. Outdated firmware can cause unnecessary battery drain through background processes and syncing issues. Try resetting your AirPods case through your iPhone's settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Reset All Settings. This reset can resolve background syncing issues that are draining the battery, often restoring proper charge retention. For minor charging issues, simple do-it-yourself fixes can often restore your AirPods case functionality. Start by cleaning the charging contacts with a soft cloth or alcohol wipe to remove dirt and corrosion. You can also try resetting the case through your iPhone settings under General, then Reset, which clears software glitches. Finally, avoid overcharging by unplugging when the case is full to prevent battery stress. When DIY fixes aren't enough, Apple offers a comprehensive self-service repair program launched in 2025. This program allows you to replace your AirPods charging case for $69 to $89, and it covers all AirPods models from the original to the latest. The repair addresses battery degradation and hardware faults, giving your case a fresh start. For those comfortable with tools, iFixit teardowns reveal that AirPods battery modules are surprisingly accessible with basic screwdrivers. This allows for successful DIY battery replacements in about 90% of minor cases. However, be aware that performing your own repairs will void Apple's warranty, so consider this option carefully for older models. Prevent further battery degradation by avoiding overcharging. Remove the case from the charger once it's full. Also, avoid storing your AirPods in extreme temperatures. Cold environments below 0 degrees Celsius can temporarily reduce charge holding capacity. Room temperature is ideal. The future is wireless. Most new AirPods models now use MagSafe or Qi wireless charging, reducing port-related failures. Looking ahead to 2027, solid-state batteries in rumored AirPods 5 promise 2x lifespan and faster charging. AI diagnostics in iOS may also preempt issues with proactive alerts. Experts recommend regular cleaning of your AirPods case contacts to prevent corrosion from dirt, sweat, or lint. Use a soft cloth or alcohol wipe to gently clean the Lightning or MagSafe ports, which can extend battery life by reducing electrical resistance. Avoid overcharging your case by removing it from the charger once it's fully charged. Lithium-ion batteries degrade faster with constant full charges, so unplugging at 100% helps maintain capacity over time. Store your AirPods case at room temperature and avoid extreme heat or cold. High temperatures accelerate battery degradation, while cold can temporarily reduce charge holding ability. If issues persist, Apple's self-service repair program allows you to replace the case for $69 to $89, extending support to all AirPods models. This can resolve hardware faults effectively. By following these expert tips, you can extend your AirPods case life by up to 50%. Proactive care is essential for maintaining battery health. If you're experiencing ongoing issues, consider alternatives like Samsung's Galaxy Buds with more durable polymer cases that have lower failure rates.